Hello, YouTubers. Today we're gonna have an open discussion about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. So I don't know if you already know about them, but long story short, basically it's you can store all your digital assets in the blockchain. Okay? So what I'm gonna be I'm not gonna go through what is NFTs a lot. I'm gonna go through some facts, basically how they can be used, and where they will be used. And if you have any comments, like it's an open discussion, just drop your comment and in the comment section, and then I'll be glad to look into it. So as we know, NFTs has been on now for a couple of years. It's the trend. Gary Vee is all about it. And what I want to start talking about them is in the real estate sector, right? So how can NFTs be used in real estate? The first thing, I own a house, okay? And why not to make the title deed as an NFT? I mean, at the moment, it's a physical paper, right? And it's legislated, and if something happens to this paper, you need to go through 1 million procedure to get it back or something. Now imagine if you own an asset, a real estate, a house, whatever, and the title deeds is an actual NFT stored in the blockchain, okay, on your wallet. So I'm the owner of the house, okay, the title deeds, and it's stored on my wallet. Now I understand that we have a single point of failure. Like, what if I lose or something happens to the wallet? Okay, that's a single point of failure, but then it is much better than a physical paper. Why? First of all, okay, maybe you're gonna not say that this is a big thing, that it's not paper, it's saving the environment in a way, but that's not the main thing. First of all, you can legislate it, and let's say a government and the owner of the house will own the secret key, basically the recovery of the wallet, because with the secret key and the 12 phrase, like it's stored in a DeFi wallet, for example, like for example MetaMask. And by the way, I do have a video about that. I'll link that in the description. Imagine now the government owns this recovery key, the secret key, and the owner. So now we're fine with that, right? I mean, if something happens to the owner, he dies and no one knows about that, and the government still owns the house, the title deeds. Now, I'm sure globally there are countries that they're already legislating that. I mean, I already saw some websites that they actually make title deeds as an NFT. Not to mention that how many billions have been sold as digital assets, real estates, like Upland, the game, if you know that. You can own land and build houses in the USA, and also you can own land in Mars, I've seen. So yeah, I mean, in the real estate it is already happening, but I would like to see that in the physical real estate, like a physical title deeds. Like if I own the house personally, yes, I would prefer to have my title deeds as an NFT stored in a machine, okay, locked in a lockbox probably somewhere. And it's fine. I mean, if the government also owns the recovery key, and that would be, let's say, one wallet stored only the title deeds. So what do you think about that? Like, what do you think about NFTs, and if they're used in the real estate? Would that be beneficial? I really think so. I mean, that would be a really good idea. And what else can it be used in the real estate? Now, another topic the main topic, I would say, in NFTs, it's that it's used with artists, with musicians and programmers. I mean, digital artists can store their digital assets, their graphic design, their GIFs, their anything they make, like augmented reality as NFTs. They can sell them, and when the buyer buys them, basically, he can resell them, and the artist will always get royalties. So here we have all the intellectual property done. No need to hire lawyers, no need to. Now, if lawyers are going to lose their jobs, I mean, I think they should get educated about it and they could sell it as a service. Why not? Think about it. I mean, quickly people think like, oh, lawyers are going to lose their jobs. No, man. I mean, if you're a lawyer, if you're an intellectual property lawyer, why don't you learn about NFTs and offer it as a service? After all, you can also hold the wallet and you can manage it, for example. You see where I'm getting from, like what I'm getting into. I mean, at the moment, in the world that we are living, it's about learning. The people that will learn, they will make more money because they will offer the services of the future today. Think about it. I'm sure, I'm not gonna even Google it, but I'm sure there are people now, lawyers, that they do sell intellectual property as NFTs. I mean, that's a great idea. What do you think? Musicians, the same. They have their songs, they can upload them, make them as NFTs, sell them and get their royalties. Programmers, they can make their scripts as NFTs and sell them. So you see what I'm getting from? I think it's quite useful for digital artists, musicians. Hello, that's my cat. How about making you as an NFT? So another topic is e-commerce. Okay, so we have, like, you sell products. What if you put your products as NFTs and sell them with cryptocurrency? And if someone buys, and let's say you have, I don't know, some accessories. Okay, so you have accessory A, you upload it as an NFT, quantity 1, someone buys it, or as much as quantity as you have in your stock, and then you send it, you ship it. So you don't need to learn about about how to make an online shop. Or you don't need to hire any IT to host a server for you and make that e-shop for you. I mean, uploading an NFT is really straightforward. So it's quite easy. So I would say this thing with the e-shop, it's something to consider. I would do it. Okay. I mean, you have an e-shop already and you want to offer your products and accept cryptocurrencies. Simply, why don't you make your e-shop as NFTs and accept cryptocurrency? There you have it. I don't know what's gonna happen with the VAT. It's up to you. You wanna, add it in the financials, deduct the VAT, you can do that. Then you can exchange it to fiat and pay your VAT. You don't want to do that, you can do that. I mean, this is where we're heading for. We're heading for a decentralized world. That's a really good idea. I just thought of it now. I mean, yeah, you have someone who has already an e-shop, and rather than him implementing a cryptocurrency payout, why not just upload them as NFTs? And here you have it. He's gonna get crypto and he's gonna sell it. So another thing, like in the food and beverage industry, right? Already McDonald's and the big brands are already dealing with that. And by the way, don't forget to like, learn, share, and subscribe. And I'll be making more videos. So yeah, I was talking about the food and beverage, right? So you can make coupons, vouchers. You can make collectible burgers as NFTs. For example, there's a lot of ideas there. I mean, nowadays, NFT is a big trend, and there's a lot of people who have a wallet. And a wallet is like something to showcase what you have. For example, you have Facebook, you showcase your pictures and what you're doing and all that. But the new world, the new now, this world, you can showcase your wallet. Like, what do I have? These are my NFTs. It's so cool, isn't it? You know, like you can sell them, and this is what they're doing already. Like Meta now, they're already implementing Instagram also, all of them, Twitter, they're already integrating NFTs in their platforms. And basically, this is something that is already happening, and I think it's a really good idea. You know, like if you're a local burger, shop, or you can do that. You can be from the first globally or in your town that, hey, buy a burger and I'll give you a collectible NFT of this burger or something. So that was a short open discussion. By the way, if you're looking for the best platform, have in mind that the majority of the platforms that you can mint, which means create NFTs, they don't give you 100% ownership. Like, it's a smart contract actually. I am hooked up with the best guys when it comes to minting NFTs. So if you're interested, just go on a one-on-one session. I'll link it in the description. Leave your details, or simply go to my YouTube and go to view email, send me an email or drop a comment, and I can hook you up with the best NFT, let's say, platform that you own the smart contract. So basically you own the rights. That's a very huge benefit. And also you can bulk NFTs, mint in bulk basically. And you can also have the royalties feature, QR. Yep. So that was it. I wanted to hear your opinion. Like, what do you think NFTs can be used for? Do you think this is something that's gonna be trending a lot? Anything you think of, just drop it in the comments, then we can populate it from there. That was a short episode about NFTs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I believe NFTs are forever. Crypto Inspector out.